and welcome to our guide on how to use our Cosmetic Product Safety Report Generator. We have designed the ultimate tool for creating quick and easy cosmetic assessments. Our easy-to-use format simplifies the process and allows you to generate reports in a few steps for our assessor to approve. Let's start by running through a basic bath bomb recipe. To begin with, you need to fill in all of your details for your responsible person. This is the person who ensures the compliance of your products. Our generator is split into two packages, using non-TSK products and packages using the soap kitchen only materials. For this recipe, we're going to select all products as sourced from the soap kitchen. Next, choose your target audience. This has been split into 4 main categories. We're going to be using general population. Then choose your product type from our list of 8 packages. For this recipe, we are making bath bombs. Once you are happy, we can start on our base formulation. Your base formulation should always be only 90% of your recipe. You can use the search bar to find your required products, then add in your weights in grams to the left-hand side. You will notice some products are auto-filled for you. The percentages of each product will also appear to help you keep track. Simply use the Add button to add more ingredients. Next, we can add in a variation. Your variation should never be more than 10% of your formulation. Follow the same process to add in your ingredients and you will notice the percentages calculate accordingly so you can ensure you don't go over your 10%. You will also notice the maximum percentages will appear next to the product name. This is based on the IFRA standards and shows the percentage relevant to the product you are making. For each variation, you will need to fill in the name of the product, the description, its function and how it is packaged. These will vary per variation that you add. You can then go on to add up to a maximum of 10 variations for one recipe. Let's go through the final steps. If you require a toxicology report, simply tick the button. These are charged per variation. You will also need to confirm your recipes have been stability checked and that you have read our terms and conditions. You can use the additional information box to add any extra details you believe are important for our assessor to know about your products. Once you are happy, you can then add to the basket. In the checkout, you will see your order is split to show your variations. Alternatively, you can save your CPSR and return at a later date to finish your report. Now, let's run through a recipe that contains non-TSK products. These packages work in the same way as our original packages. We have just simplified the process so that you can use our generator to submit your report. Start by filling in steps 1 and 2 like before. When you get to step 3, you will notice a new tick box on the right hand side. If you're using a non-TSK product, please ensure you tick this box. The drop down will then change to a text box for you to write in your product name. You will also need to ensure all relevant technical documents have been uploaded. This includes safety data sheets, IFRA statements, etc. Now you can continue your report like normal. Now, let's try something a bit more advanced. We have chosen a cold process soap recipe. As you can see, the sodium hydroxide and water have already been selected in your base formulation section. As you add in your oils, the generator shows the maximum and minimum percentages for each ingredient. The generator is working out the correct ratios to ensure your soap goes through the saponification process safely. If your ratios aren't correct, the generator will show an error. Once you are happy, you can proceed with your report like normal.
To access your saved or finished CPSRs, simply log into your count area. There you will find My CPSRs tab. This is split into 2 separate tabs. Firstly, your saved CPSRs. Simply click Continue Editing to continue with your CPSR. This will open in our generator at the stage you last saved it with all of your previous information. Then, once you've placed your order, these will appear in your CPSR Orders tab. This tab shows the order number, order date, number of variations and status of your CPSR. If you click the Details button, it will open your CPSR information so that you can review the details you have submitted. Once your CPSR is approved by our chemist, the status will change to Order Complete and your finished report will appear in the Reports column for you to download. Simply click the symbol to open up your report.
For more information on how to use our CPSR generator, please visit our blog, where we go more in depth about each step of the process.